What's good, man? We checking back in with another vlog today. As you can see, bro, I need a haircut. I need a retwist, bro. Beard growing out, but now I'm finna go get right now. So y'all gonna see the transformation of the. Right now I'm top 100. You know what I'm saying? But after I get this cut, bro, I feel like I'm top 5, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really feel like I'm top 5. But I'm gonna start doing more of, like, you know what I'm saying, daily vlogs and stuff like that. But right now, I gotta go get right, bro, cause I look rough, bro. Like, I was in the store today, bro. Somebody told me, you about 28. Like, well, what is it? Oh, no, it's your beard and this is nuts. I'm like, no, I said less. I booked me an appointment today, like today. But listen, man, we gonna I already know I got a plan for today. I know I gotta run a few errands, so I'm gonna try and, you know what I'm saying, remember to record, you know what I'm saying, to keep out, you know what I'm saying, up to date. But I said once I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm probably gonna start like a daily vlogging channel. Like, I'm gonna vlog, like, y'all gonna get daily keys, like, you know what I'm saying, all day vlogs, everyday vlogs, what I do on a daily basis. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I have like a very interesting life, but right now we finna be on the way to the best barber down south, you know what I'm saying? Big shout out to Tito, you know what I'm saying? He gonna be talking hella shit in this video, bro, but we gonna check back in when we get that, man, so y'all stay tuned. What? New phone, who this? Not gonna lie to you, boy. Hey, where my man, bro? Man, I'm back in the game, man. I'm top 3 right now, bro. Top 3, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Feel good, look good, you perform good, man. Barber just got me right, man. Shout out Tito, man. Hey, his IG gonna be up here. Like, do a little pop-up phone, but hey. Yeah, best barber in Florida. In the world, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So we back in the game, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm finna get into today. I made a couple phone calls, so we gonna see how things play out today. You know what I'm saying? I usually be going to the sandbar on these days. Thursday be popping. It's hot. It's most definitely hot. But yeah, man, y'all see the cut though, bro. Y'all see the cut. I was finna cut the dread up. Oh, I think my junk got blurry on y'all. Hold on, my fault. Let's see. Damn. I think we good, but listen though. Y'all see the cut, bro. Fine line. Got that black ice on me and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, comment down below. Should I cut the dreads, bro? Should I get like a little fro again? Or what? Like, y'all like this style? Like, y'all let me know what's up. But listen, man, hey. We're gonna check back in, I'm probably gonna get something to eat, but you know I'm broke still, so probably go to McDonald's, get me a little water cup and a small fry, something. We gonna check back in, man. What's good, YouTube, man? We back on here, man. We back on here, bro. Listen. I ain't been consistent, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta like the videos, man. We running the views up, bro. We got over like 500,000 views so far, I think, on YouTube so far. I think, if I ain't mistaken, over like 500,000 views. Like, we going crazy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, we going crazy. But y'all gotta like the videos, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all of the support, everything. I'm not questioning anything, you know what I'm saying? My main supporters, y'all know who y'all are. Y'all watch all the videos, y'all liking, y'all commenting. And then, you know, we got some ghost supporters, you know what I'm saying? But we still got love for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But listen, moving forward, I just need y'all to like the video. And if you already like it, if you're not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Like, it's greatly, highly, and truly appreciated. But listen, I ain't gonna talk out of depth because I know y'all wanna hear me talking that much. Y'all wanna see more of the pranks and all the other good stuff. So, but listen, this is what it is right now. I just came from Walmart, you know what I'm saying? And I got an idea, like, I know it ain't funny, but I might do 2 parts of this. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the monkeypox prank. Nah, I got me a marker purple marker. They got clear on that, but I got some paint, which is like a purple. I got my utensil. Now I gotta get right, you feel me? And then I bought some marble clay. So we finna go in here and we finna just try and, like, you know what I'm saying, transform me into, I guess, a creature, like, you know what I'm saying? Cause COVID had everybody going crazy. So I know for a fact if I come outside with monkeypox, everybody might start running. But listen, so the idea is I'm gonna call some people on the phone. I'm gonna go to some of my family and friend houses and pop up on them and just, like, you know what I'm saying, walk in the house like, yeah, man, hey, like, I'm probably having a hoodie and I'm gonna be acting weird at first, and then I'm like, yeah, man, I tested positive for monkeypox, but they told me it ain't contagious right now. Cause I'm on the first stage still, so and we're gonna just go from there and see what they do. But listen, man, we're gonna roll the 3K subscribers. Let's try and get the within the next month, you know what I'm saying? I feel like we can do it. We're doing real good, so you know what I'm saying, let's just run it up. If you're watching this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Team Keys in the building, you know what I'm saying? Comment W's down below, and if we get into the video. Man, hey man, vlog, man, we checking back in, man. We got my brother football game, home to versus the K. You feel me? We checking back in, man. I brought all my sons to the football game today. I got all my sons at the football game today. I got all my sons at the football game today. Man, I brought all my sons to the football game today, man. Hey, but no, I'm gonna go in the field though. Not this game. Next game. For real? Yeah. Ah. We got a long walk, bro. We're on the wrong side, bro.
I'm not on side. I sit right in the goddamn middle. I'll be both of the schools.
Right now the scope 6 is up, man.
I'll be both of the schools, shit.
I'll fade your ass, 5 out of 5.
Fade me?
Yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, John, that
on God, 5 out of 5 on fade shit.
Man, don't let that shit lie to me.
This shit right here gonna get his ass. This side right here.
Killing over there.
Yeah, that's the op side right there. Hey, this shit right here. I'm gonna pancake that boy.
What that mean? You won't get in front of me.
Real talk. Who?
You straight pressure, nigga.
You say you on what? You run above?
What?
You run above? You say you run over, bro? That's just try.
You don't entertain certain shit. Oh, the great.
Oh my God, look what it is.
What that mean?
Oregon commit. Oregon commit. What side you going on? You going on the K side, bro? You got a 5-star.
Now the K suck though. I mean, but they homestead though. I'm one of them.
Hey, man, y'all ready to drip, bro. Y'all ready to drip. You know what I'm saying? Bro, he Hollywood as fuck, bro. I won't fuck with his ass. I rob his ass. I rob his ass right now. Yo, be out here, man. Hey, y'all gonna be having a lot of football vlogs coming, bro. You feel me? Nah.
He was trying to go like booty, bro. Oh, he pushed that bitch. I did the same shit. Oh, he go! He go! He go! He go! Go! Oh!
Why you trying him? DJ! DJ! Oh! DJ! That DJ! Hey DJ? That was DJ?